Welcome to Believer Trader, and we had a successful analysis for 22nd and 23rd, and today we'll analyze whether we have done it in a right way or a wrong way, what we have actually discussed and it came to level or not. Pidlight Industries, we have discussed that has having a support or some kind of a resistance 1350 below which would have it has done it 1350 and it went down up to 1324. If you think it's a lot size of 500, then a huge bounty has came. At least if you had catched 10 also, it was good. But India, as I said, 1770 was one of the resistance above which could be boomed and has went up to 1787. And easily it can be entered in the 15-minute chance if you are you can see easily. Yep, here. Yes, yes, 915. Okay. 915 has given us so much time to you enter easily. Has given easily 10 points here. Same button and star as we have discussed above level, but has not came to our level. So we have a say, but if I would have discussed a below level of 349 or below 350 as a sell, we could have had a good profit in this one. But we actually doesn't came to our level, so we were safe now. Adani ports, same thing. Uh, Above 422, as I discussed, as it didn't came at all. And yesterday, I think we have discussed less on this one because see the level here 422 was one of the resistance here, and above could have been a buy call for 100% as said. And same again zigzag came here. See, it came to the level of 396. You can see one here, two, three, and four, five, six, seven. So 396 is one of the stop here. If it breaks, you can see here how much it can go down. Okay, plan accordingly. If you are trading Adani puts tomorrow, Sipla, as we have discussed, Sipla above 456 does it came to level even safe. M&M has came to our level at 596 and suddenly it went up to 599 and it came down, and as I discussed up to 600 and 601 as our target would have been our target, but we were not in a loss at all because if we had ordered the 596.5 easily we had earned about 2.5 rupees as the market was if you want to discuss, if you want to see the Nifty, it was in negative mode, and the stock was making so much zigzags. If you see in the day chart, in such a kind of volatility, you have to book as much as you get it. See at 15, in 15 minutes. Let me load it. Yeah, yes. Yep. So today's yeah, it's 22nd, 23rd. Yes. 23rd has opened at 590 and went up 594 and this 595 and here 596 and it went up to 599 here and came down again. One more entry tile given 96 to 598. It was red green color. It is tracked down below again, so we were not in a loss at all. Light industry, Bata and Star Adani, Sipla, three were not given labels, so we not traded. So two were given a chances, and M&M also given 2 rupees of income for this one. And we'll discuss about next day analysis, that is 24 as I created it. Let's see. Yeah. Ah, yes, we have Raymond, Transfinance, and Apollo Hospital. Just dial DCS, a Bank Nifty, a brief analysis of the Bank Nifty. Why you want to discuss? I'll tell you. Raymond, a first stock I want to discuss here in 15 minutes. It's a 6 month chart. You can see easily a zigzag pattern here. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one again. So again the same pattern is going to make here. It is also a bearish engulfing pattern, one of the extracted fuel for to sell tomorrow below 590, the list level 598. Okay, 598. Okay, with a huge volume up to, I think so, might be 570, but this zigzag pattern would be continue. If you draw the line here, you can see here. See, I stopped here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and tomorrow is a selling day for the Raymond. 598 below 598 or 597 is the safest way to sell it. And start transparency, as you can see, I drawn a lines here continuously. It has taken support every time here, and this is a bearish engulfing, and tomorrow below 1075. If you are thinking about for 10 points, yes, you obviously will get it tomorrow. If you sell it below 1075, wait for the level and trade accordingly. All hospital I had drawn here the continuous these lines here. This line is taking support and support here, and if you can see inverted hammer below 1500, and it's closed at 1513.75. Below 15 10 or 12, below 12 15 12, it's a safe way to sell, and you will get easily 10 points, I think so. And by just guessing, yes, just in the way of wake up, you can see it has stopped at 647. You can check easily this line here. After breaking a 647, it just went very fastly. So tomorrow expectedly above 648, above 648 might be a big action is pending of buy. Today also it has taken good rhythm. You can see it's a bullish engulfing, almost not a bullish engulfing. It's not engulfed, and it came up, and here 648 above. It is a buy mode. 4 to 5 points safe way can get up with good results here. TCS, yes, TCS. Okay, I want to tell you one thing why we are trading in fire, and consider the pattern here and as a chart pattern. If you see the same chart in the Zerodha, I will see teach you. Yeah, 6 month chart. You can see it is almost a bullish engulfing type of a signal, but it's not true, as it is showing that it closed at 2083, as it is closed at 2070. And here you can easily see that the correct picture 207170 has closed. And if tomorrow it is opening at this level above 2070 or 2075, 2073 is one of the entry point to go up, as it is a Nifty 50 stock. It is recovering very fastly, and 100% say it's in the buy level tomorrow also. Yes, this is Bank Nifty. Why I'm choose this one stock? This stock, it's not a stock, it's an indices. Bank Nifty indice. Why I have chosen this one very easily. Why, how we can plan for the Bank Nifty to trade tomorrow, or what could be a resistance? All these things we will discuss here. See this line what I drawn here. It has started taking support on this line continuously, and now it is stopped at 21 29 176 came and went up again and it stopped at 29 550 or 500 level. And if tomorrow it is opening above this one, okay, then definitely 29 800 is not a big, and 30,000 is not a big, because more in a day 300 400 points are not easy. That's very easy for bank nifty. And if below, then I definitely plan up to 29,000. And today I had taken 29 28 500 at 30, and I exited at 45, 15 points, because it was early in the early bird. It was very low, came at 29 100 and went up again. And I had to book very early, because man nifty we don't know, within 15 fraction of a second it will run like bull. Bull, okay. And it just went up, now it stopped at 29 500. And I suggest you buy nifty to buy about these levels 29 700, because it's stopping there also again and again. You can come and here check here those level. July this level might be some of the resistance it's facing here, 29 700. If you are taking tomorrow 29 900 as a call, then it's a good one thing. And if you are tomorrow it is making a negative impression first 15 minutes, and again it is breaking first 15 minutes negative impression, then definitely go for 29,000, because 500 is not a far distance for the bank nifty to fall. Okay, these are the brief analysis for the 24th. Raymond, Transparency, Apollo Hospital, Just Dial, and TCS, bank nifty. So trade accordingly your own belief. Okay, do not depend on anyone. And these all things are educational purpose. Please decide on your risk level, and please subscribe and press on the bell icon and like. And I'm the new one, the YouTuber, and as I'm having experience in this one, I want to share my knowledge. Thank you very much. Learn good, be good, do self-trade. Thank you. Thank you.